This is the project in China domestic, and I can see this is the multi-span greenhouses here. We are taking a customer, and here we are visiting our project in domestic, and I can see this is the area which is mainly focused on growing vegetables in a place. So you can see over there is the tunnel greenhouse, and here this is the upgraded multi-span greenhouses with the external shading system. And it is the spring season, so the external shading system we're going to use when it's summer day comes. And here we are. So we will go to see the project inside. So now we are taking a look about this multi-span greenhouses with the external shading system, and you can see the black shading system on the roof. And for this side, from the two sides are the ventilation. So the ventilation have a PC board here. We can see from the outside here. So it has. So let me take a look. So the PC board for this, for both ending and in the middle, we have for the mesh, and also the rolling film. The tunnel greenhouse multi-span. Also, we want to mention about this kind of a greenhouse, we have the concrete on the foundation area. And so you can see here, the main column is using the steel pipes, which is round instead of a column. The column can also be applied. So here, this is the multi-span greenhouses with external shading system.
What millimeter? This is just maybe just 6 millimeter. Yes. Oh, okay. Okay, and then this is how many micron? This is about 150. 150. Yeah. Okay. And then this one? Oh, this one is just also 50. Oh, 150. But this is blue. This is blue. Why blue? In Chengdu, we need to use this. Okay. Many. I think this is for the vegetable. Yeah, vegetable requirement. It's blue. Yeah. But not this. Not more use more. Many customers. This is that's the wet one. Wow. This is very old. Yes, maybe. Oh, and this is the little fan. 那个循环风机是哪？
Recycle fan inside. Recycle fan.
Okay, I was asking about the white wall. Can you see that wall thing?
White wall? Oh, white wall.
The white wall.
Over there.
At the end of the
That,
tunnel.
oh, that's the wet curtain.
What about
Curtain, yes, it's the
that's
curtain.
what you quoted for us. Yes.
Mm.
Yes. Okay. Yes. This.
Yeah, exhaust fan together with the white wet curtain. That's the.
Okay. And then what is this? That one is it light? Yes, this is light. Okay.
So the gutter height should be like 170.
Do you know the height? You know, this height is 3 meters or 4. About
2.8, I think.
2.8.
2.8.
Yeah. Okay.
It's the lowest.
It's the lowest.
Yeah, lowest.
Okay. You can see this is double here and top. Ah, okay, okay, okay. Supply this? Yes. Yeah, no. Is it if you say production, yeah, 20,000 seeds? Yes. Then the what's the right word? Then she will know how many this will go inside.
Yes.
Yes, we will be check this.
Yes.
Check this size.
Yes.
Yeah. And then with the instead of the sprinkler, the one that puts the water, not this. Not this. Okay.
This one we may need one. That one we may not.
Oh.
Besides two, there is also need for.
Only the irrigation. Yes, irrigation. If for the seed greenhouse, we also provide the top irrigation. Yes. Yes, I will show you the video in the company. Okay. What do you call the yellow ones? Yellow ones. Yellow ones? Yeah. What is it? You can see the insect on it traps. Frank，就是那个是粘昆虫的，把昆虫粘在上面。
Oh, that attracts the insects. Give them stuff.
You can supply us with this as well?
Yes, yes, we can.
Okay. 我们可以提供这个吗？
这个也不贵，可以。
我晓得了。
Because again the tutor one, we find that the tutor one was yellowish. So maybe the blue one is for another.
Blue one for another insect.
Another one.
No, but I was even though inside, so they get in. But it's because we leave the doors open and then they get in. Okay.
And even when the workers are coming in,
PVC pipe, this one you supply as well. You can give us.
So this is the sensor for this multi-span greenhouses inside, and this is the drying greenhouses with the gutter height 2.5 meters and rooftop height is over 5 meters, and you can see the internal shading system and external shading system as well. And we can also growing the seed inside here. So you can see we are growing the seeds inside, and this multi-span greenhouse is already placed here for over 10 years. And you can see those pipes are the steel pipes.
You want to know more details before you use the yes.
Seat. I see previous one we had the PC multi-span greenhouses, but this one for seeding mostly, and those you can see the concrete floor here. For this area is the concrete floor only. This is the seed bed here, and you can see by the substract those area. the cucumber in the greenhouse multi-span.
Help me.
So this is the whole system for this multi-span greenhouses of seeding, and you have seeding bed, and also you have the bugs attract for this small pieces, and so you can see those seedings here perfectly set in a seeding bed, and also the multi-span greenhouses with internal shading and external shading system, and also you can see the roof is the tunnel with the PC board or film, and that is the fertilizer here. And the internal shading system as well, especially in the summer seasons here. And the customer is taking pictures here for this. And we will also figure out how the farmers inside can put those seedings perfectly for this massive area. And also you can see that's the exhaust fan, and over there in the opposite way is the wet curtain for the ventilation inside, and it can reduce the temperatures, and also you can see those are the recycle fans inside of the greenhouse. Okay, this is the walkthrough of this multi-span greenhouses for seeding.
Why? Okay, why are they putting this and then here also? Why? Why this and then also this?
这个应该，这个只是为了防止那个，就是泥土渗下去。
Oh, in case the soil go down, the substrate go
This
down
is
in
too
case to avoid.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
还有阻挡那个虫。
Insect proof,
Okay.
something insect net, just like.
Okay. And then does this close?
Yes, it can close. And here, I can show you.
Rolling, 卷的吗? So the ventilation
Oh,
for
the ventilation.
roof ventilation.
So it's two greenhouses. It's a greenhouse in another greenhouse. You can see again. So the smaller one, and then there's the big greenhouse.
Yes, this is big grass.
Yeah, and then this inside again another greenhouse.
Yes. This is for.
No, that is shade. All the
Yeah, but there's a plastic inside. Yeah. And then on top of the plastic is also shade.
Yes.
Uh,
Many customers use this for the seed.
Oh,
To keep warm. And,
okay.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's cool. So this actually closes. This. Yes, you just press and it closes. This you can close.
Yes, can close.
Okay.
This is
洗起来像我如果直接收个盘子过来，
哦，
它就直接是，
洗起来，
这个还没收起来的。
还没收起来。这个就是机制，你刚好弄好了。机制弄好了。
它自己要喝，
哦，你这个就是种植
然后它就给滚水，比如说它就给你，
The seeding is
多
here.
了，然后那边就打水
seeding.，
那边打水。
So watering here. So watering here. This is the Vino, the glass greenhouses for seeding watering. So let's take a look inside. the warm material is the glass. And this is the tempered glass. And this is the inside. The inside have insect net and also have the external or internal shading system and external shading system. And the main column here is pretty stronger. So that's the watering area. The water is storaged over there. Exhaust fan and wet curtains is over there. So the very ideal position and distance is 40 meters in length for exhaust fan, and the wet curtain distance 40 meters. The best and effective all right, and you can see the concrete wall for this Vino greenhouses. You can use over 20 years, and the greenhouses sitting up here almost used for 10 years. All right.